I've tried multiple niches on YouTube. Some worked, some didn't. But about a month ago, I came across a channel that uploads history-related shorts and long-form videos. And with just 22 uploads, this channel has already racked up more than 330,000 subscribers. That immediately made me curious. Are these views real or are they botted? And even more importantly, how much is this channel actually earning from AdSense? To find out, I checked the channel on Social Blade. According to the stats there, this channel is making around $17,000 per month from AdSense alone. But I didn't want to rely only on those numbers. I wanted to know the real truth. So I decided to start a YouTube channel myself in the same style. And let me tell you, the results were insane. Here you can see one of my videos that got 100,000 views and earned almost $400 from AdSense alone. It could have been even higher, but this was only my second video, and I got monetized from this video itself. That means the earnings started only after monetization was enabled. The RPM of this video was $4. Then I uploaded another video that got 72,000 views and earned nearly $300, with the RPM again being $4. So now I know exactly how to create these kinds of videos using only free AI tools. And in this video, I'll reveal everything I've learned about this niche. That's why you need to watch until the very end, because while other so-called gurus might try to sell you courses teaching this stuff, you're going to get it right here for free. In this single video, we're going to go through every phase step by step, from creating a brand new channel to finding a great script, generating visuals, converting them into a video, and much more. And here's one more important note. You must join my Telegram channel. Why? Because to make these kinds of videos, you need highly detailed prompts. And to make things easier for you, I've compiled all those prompts into a PDF and uploaded it on my Telegram. You can access it completely free through the link in the description. So make sure you join and let's dive right in. Once you have the step-by-step PDF guide, your work will be much easier. You only need to enter these prompts and you'll get closer to creating your own AI-powered videos. The very first thing we need to do is create a unique channel. And for that, we'll need a unique channel name before moving forward. To make things easy, we'll use AI. Go to the prompt guide and scroll down. You'll find a section called Channel Name. Simply copy the whole prompt from there, go to ChatGPT, and paste it. Now you'll see a space asking how many names you want, so type the number according to your choice. I usually go with 30, so I hit enter, and then you'll get a list of names from which you can choose. After that, we need a logo for our channel. Again, go to the PDF doc, copy the second prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. In the space provided, enter your chosen channel name. So simply copy the channel name from above, paste it into the space, and then hit enter. ChatGPT will give you a ready-made prompt for generating a logo. Next, go to a website called Leonardo AI. Once you're in, you'll see a big image option in the middle. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to the page where you can generate logos for your channel. Now, click on the prompt box, paste your copied logo prompt there, and next to it, you'll see the model option. Click on it and choose the second option, which is Lucid Realism, and then close the model tab. Below that, you'll see the image size option. Choose 1:1, which is suitable for logo creation. Then click Generate, and within a few seconds, it will give you 4 logos. From there, choose the one you like, click on it, and then click the download option. And just like that, your first step is done. Now, for creating your channel, simply go to YouTube. At the top right corner, you will see the sign-in option. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to the dashboard. Then click on Create Account. Here you will see 2 options. First, for personal use, and second, for work or business. Choose the first one. Many people mistakenly select the second option, but that is only meant for business accounts. After choosing personal use, you need to enter your chosen channel name. For example, I entered History Echoes. Then click on Next, and you'll need to enter a few more details like date of birth, mobile number, etc. Once that's done, your YouTube channel is ready to go. Now we need to upload a logo to this channel. For that, click on the Customize option, and it will redirect you to YouTube Studio. Simply click on the picture option, upload your downloaded logo, and then click Done. Finally, click Publish, and now your channel is all set, ready to upload your very first video. Now first, to create videos like this channel, we need to analyze its content properly. Since I already know how to create these videos, but you might be a complete beginner, you need to make ChatGPT understand exactly what you want. For that, you can use the first prompt from the PDF called Channel Analysis. This prompt is designed to analyze any channel's stats, like its content type, upload frequency, and even estimated earnings, just by entering the channel link. So simply copy this prompt from the PDF, go to ChatGPT, paste it there, and you'll see a space that says Insert your channel link. Now go to the target channel, copy the link, and paste it into the prompt. After you hit enter, ChatGPT will start analyzing the channel and provide you with every single detail, including the content creation strategy. But since you're following along with me, you don't need to repeat this step right now, because I've already added that specific channel link inside the prompt guide below. You can directly access it from there. That's why I keep saying that these prompts are insanely useful. Grab them from my Telegram channel so you can skip all the hard work. Now, once you've analyzed the channel, the next step is to get topics for your own scripts and videos. For this, go back to the PDF and copy the second prompt, which is specially designed to give you video ideas that are popular and in high demand. Go back to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and you'll see in the text where I wrote shorts. If you want to make long videos, just replace shorts with long. The process works the same way for both. Since this particular channel mainly uploaded shorts, I also focused on shorts, so I typed shorts and hit enter. ChatGPT will then process the prompt and give you a list of trending topics. Once you get that list, simply pick one idea that you like. I usually just go with the first one. Now that you've chosen a topic, the next thing we need is a script for that topic. For that, I've given you the third prompt in the PDF called script. Copy that prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and in the space provided, enter your chosen topic title. After you hit enter, ChatGPT will give you a complete script, usually broken into sections like intro, main content, and outro. But here's the problem. While generating voiceovers, these section breaks and timestamps can be annoying. So to fix that, simply type "provide script" in one paragraph and hit enter. ChatGPT will then reformat the script into a single clean paragraph, making it much easier for you to use for voiceover generation. Now, to generate a voiceover, I use a tool called DupDub. It's a fantastic platform that produces ultra-realistic AI voiceovers with natural sounding voices. This is one of the reasons why my videos stand out. They don't sound robotic. Here's how you do it. First, register on DupDub using any Gmail account. You'll instantly get some free credits for trial use. Once you're logged in, click on AI voiceover and you'll be redirected to the dashboard. Now copy your script and paste it into the editor. You can paste up to 30,000 characters of text, which is more than enough for most scripts. You'll also see the average duration of the script displayed automatically. Next, for choosing a realistic voice, click on More Voiceovers. You'll see a long list of AI voices. To get the best results, filter them by language, English, gender, male or female depending on your choice, age, and adult. The most important part is to select Ultra Quality. Once you do this, you'll get access to multiple ultra-realistic voices. Listen to a few samples, select the one you like the most, and then click Select. After that, click the play button to generate your voiceover. Once it's generated, click Export and download it as an MP3 file. Done! Now your professional AI narration is ready. The next step is image generation. For that, go back to the PDF and copy the fourth prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT, then hit enter, and ChatGPT will generate a set of image prompts for each line of your script. These prompts are like magic. If you tried to make them manually, it would take hours, and the quality wouldn't even come close. Now, copy one of the generated image prompts and head over to Leonardo AI. On the dashboard, click on Image and then paste your copied prompt into the prompt box. Next to it, you'll see the model option. Click it, scroll down, and choose the Flux Schnell model. Close the model tab, then go to image size and set it to 16:9, which is the standard format for videos. Once you've done that, click Generate. In a few seconds, Leonardo AI will give you 4 different high-quality images. Preview all of them. Pick the one that fits your script best. Click on it and hit Download. Repeat this process with all your prompts until you've generated a complete set of images for your video. As you can see, I already generated all of mine here. The images are extremely high quality, and the best part is that they're completely free. Once you've downloaded them all, you're ready for the next stage. The only issue with using just images is that they're static, and static slideshows don't engage viewers as much. That's why we'll go one step further and convert these images into short video clips, which not only look better but also help your channel grow faster and stay safe for monetization. For converting images into videos, you need to use the fifth prompt from the PDF, which is specially designed for this purpose. This prompt doesn't just create random video instructions. It first analyzes your images and then gives you the perfect prompt for converting each one into a short animated video. To do this, simply copy the fifth prompt, go to ChatGPT, paste it, and then upload all the images you just generated by clicking the plus icon. Once you've uploaded them, hit enter and ChatGPT will analyze every single image and provide you with detailed prompts for converting them into video clips. After that, copy the first prompt and head over to a website called Hailuo AI, which is one of the best tools for turning images into videos. On the website, click on the video option and then upload the image you want to animate. Once uploaded, scroll down, paste the copied prompt into the prompt box, and then choose the Hailuo 02 model. After that, set the resolution to 720p and the duration to 6 seconds. If you want higher quality, you'll need to upgrade, but trust me, 720p is more than enough for YouTube Shorts. Now click on Create and Hailuo AI will start generating your image to video clip. While one video is being processed, you can already start uploading another image with its prompt, which saves you time. Repeat this step for all your images until you have a complete set of animated clips. Once done, preview them, and you'll see how stunning they look. Download each video one by one, and by the end of this step, 90% of your work is complete. Now it's time for editing, and for this, you can use any editing software you like. Personally, I use Clipchamp, which is totally free and very simple to use. Open Clipchamp, click Create a new video, and you'll be taken to the editing dashboard. The first thing you must do is set the size to vertical 9:16 because this format is necessary for shorts. Next, click on Import Media to upload all your video clips along with the MP3 voiceover you generated earlier. Once imported, drag your voiceover to the timeline. After that, start adding your video clips one by one in order, aligning them with the narration. Make sure the visuals match the voiceover. This is very important for retaining viewers. If some clips don't fit perfectly, just trim them slightly or adjust their position so they sync well with the audio. After placing all clips, click on the Captions option in Clipchamp, then select Try Now and Transcribe Media. This feature will automatically generate subtitles for your video based on the narration. Once transcription is complete, go to Subtitles and you'll see the text editor. Here you can customize your captions, choose the font, size, and color, and then adjust their placement on the screen. I recommend making the text bold and slightly bigger so that it is easy to read on mobile screens. Place the captions either at the bottom or in the middle of the video, depending on what looks best with your visuals. Once captions are ready, preview your video from start to finish to make sure everything feels smooth and professional. Finally, click on the export option and export your video in high quality. That's it, your video is now ready to upload on YouTube. And before I end this tutorial, let me remind you once again, make sure you join my Telegram channel. All the prompts I used, from channel analysis, topic finding, script writing, image generation to image to video conversion, are already included in the PDF that I uploaded there. You'll get instant access and it will save you hours of work. These prompts are insanely powerful, and instead of paying hundreds of dollars for a course, you're getting everything for free. So don't skip this step. Once you have the PDF, just copy and paste the prompts and you'll be able to create videos like mine much faster. Now, your video is ready, your channel is set up, and you know the complete process from start to finish of making viral history shorts with AI. All that's left for you is to stay consistent, keep uploading, and keep improving with each video. So that's the end of this guide. Until then, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.